Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Ross Perry Productions. Today I am sitting in a 2021 Hyundai i20. This is the mild hybrid version. I'm just going to show you where the cabin air conditioning filter is. So it's actually found just behind the glove box here. So we're going to open it up, and what you'll notice is there's actually two lines either side of the glove box. We're going to pull them in and start to pull the glove box forward, like so. There we go, trying to do that one-handed, it's quite hard. And then you'll just see this grey hatch here. Now, you can actually take the strut off down the side there and remove the glove box fully, but you don't need to. You can just about get your hand down there. There's a clip to your right, and you open up this hatch like so, and then you'll actually see the filter just there. Now you can pull that out. Try and pull it from either side. So there's a harder bit on both sides. You need to pull it out so it's nice and square. Once it goes about halfway, it's come straight out. There we go. And that is what the cabin air conditioning filter looks like. Just have a look on the side there. You'll notice it's got an arrow. The arrow is pointing down, which is a way of airflow. And you always make sure it goes in that way so you have the tougher bits on the side. So getting a new one, making sure the arrow's the right way up. Again, sorry, it's a bit hard to do it one-handed. I'll work with what I can. One side in. Kind of work it in, you want it to go in square. You don't want it to twist or anything, so just do it a little bit at a time. Normally you would obviously be using both hands. Once you get that all the way in, goes about flush with the door. Get your hatch from earlier. Got the pointy bit on the left hand side and then the clip on the right hand side. I'm just going to get that in. Then click like so. Now you can close your glove box. You just got to push it up with a bit of force and it puts it back on the stops. There we go, that's how easy it is to replace the cabin air conditioning filter on a 2021 Hyundai i20. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.